what's going down. SOM, where we at? That's right.
What's up? My name is Rodney Jones from Baltimore, Maryland. I've been skating about 13 years. When I moved out to San Diego, it always felt kind of weird, like being like December and just 60, 70 degrees, thinking about everybody back home. Back east, it gets so cold sometimes, you just go to the park and hang out, everybody's there. It's usually warm in there, got some music going, good little scene. Skating in Baltimore, it's great. It's like a recharge, you know? It's like you go back to all the old spots you grew up skating and it just feels like it's all yours, like no one's been there. I'd like to thank all my sponsors. It's been fun. Hope you guys enjoy this.
Anything that my homie okays is alright. These days display recklessness. Whose tech is this? Wanted in the window where your coupe Lexus is. Follow me on my exodus. My poetics will earn the respect of thus. An individual crushing hypocritical nothings like aluminum pans. Put me on the mic and I'm doing them. Operation. MC intimidation, occupation. Rock the place, then leave, relieve. The Master John, large like a mastodon. In charge of the glass caches on some whole new shit that these bastards on. Then the old style while smash was gone. My infallible flows will swallow you hoes. Rapping about cars and clothes, you need to kill it.
Selling out for the money and fame, but I just keep on doing my thing.
I was trying to skate that little Jersey wall going up. Cars just kept getting in the way. It was real windy. And then this tractor trailer pulled up, and it was just right in the runway. And it got all angry, and I was just like, whatever, and rode under it. I got more of a rush out of that than any trick I've ever done before.
I'm unlike all types. Can't match the brain connections, they need more gigabytes. I hit them twice, iced them. Cold like liquid nitrogen, they need vitamins and ginseng. If you fencing with these, you get stabbed in the heart. Me, I'm like the Highlander, tapping the soul of my enemies, capturing their energies. Disappear from the stage like the Vanisher, grabbing the mic and drop a spike right through the center. For these niggas all sequenced up like the spinners, I get the crowd high like paint thinners and watch me fuse crackle and splinter. They can't tackle the impenetrable sound sciences of hieroglyphics, even with the saw right.